Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're making one of my favorite meals because it cooks up all in one pan. We're making Greek chicken thighs. These things roast in lemon, herbs, we throw some veggies in there, finish it off with some olives and some feta, and the taste that comes out of the oven, it's incredible. So let's make it happen, y'all. So I'll put all the ingredients you need to make this in the description. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And we're going to start off with our marinade. Alright, you want to get you a small bowl. And to make the marinade, the first thing we're going to put in is a half cup of olive oil. I'm going to put that in your bowl. And then we're going to squeeze, or juice, out of one lemon. So in here, this is going to be the spice that we're putting into our marinade. It's got 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a half teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, and a half teaspoon of red pepper flake. So we're going to dump that into our marinade. And then we're just going to take our whisk and whisk this all together to make our marinade. Just mix it up good and smooth. After you get your marinade, you want to reserve about 1/3 cup. This is for veggies. Alright, now it's time to marinate our chicken. I'm putting my glove on. Y'all know I like my glove. So I got 5 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. For your chicken thighs, cut any excess skin off and pat them dry. It's important that you pat them dry. I know we're putting marinade on it, but patting them dry, and when you put the marinade on it, helps the marinade get into the chicken, but it also helps your skin crisp up and helps it roast better. So make sure you pat them dry before you do this. I've already done that with my chicken thighs, so we're going to dump the marinade on. And then we're just going to roll these bad boys around in that marinade. Make sure we get some coated all on that good stuff. Hence the reason for the glove. Go on, make friends with your food. Get in there. It's going to be alright. After you get them good and coated, we're going to set these aside. Now, they only need to sit in this marinade about 15-20 minutes. We're going to prep all of our veggies while this sits so it can actually sit and marinate. You can leave it up to an hour if you want stronger flavor. Don't leave it past an hour. That lemon juice in here is going to start reacting to the meat, and it'll break down the texture of your chicken and it'll taste weird. So this isn't one of those things you want to marinate it overnight. No more than an hour. 15-20 minutes, you good. Alright. Okay, the first thing we're going to prep is 1 zucchini. Cut it right down the middle. And then we're just going to slice all this up. As we're prepping our veggies, get you a bowl. As you chop it up, just dump it all in your bowl. Next thing we're going to prep, we got 1 yellow bell pepper. We're going to take these and we want to cut them into about 1-inch chunks. We have a pint of just grape tomatoes. We're just going to halve them. We're going to take a lemon, we're going to halve it, and then we're just going to slice it really thin. We'll put them in a separate bowl. Get you a sheet pan. I would recommend you either cover it with parchment paper or foil. Just makes cleanup easier. I mean, this is a weeknight meal. Cleanup's a big thing. So we're going to take all those veggies that we just diced up, and we're going to dump them right here in the middle. of our pan. This is 4 cloves of garlic that's been minced. We're going to dump all that into our pan with it so that all that garlic gets to roast with our veggies. Remember I told you keep a third of that marinade that we made. It's going on here too. Now we're going to take and just right here on the pan, mix all this stuff around, get them veggies coated up with some of that marinade. After you get them good and coated, kind of spread them around a little bit. We need to make somewhere for our chicken to sit. Now we're going to bring our chicken back. You want to nestle this down, skin side up, just among our veggies that we just made. Make sure you do it skin side up. We want that skin to crisp up and to brown in our oven. I told you wrong. I got 6 of them. Thought I only had 5. After we get them in there, just take some of that marinade that we had left, go and put a little bit on there. That oil's going to help them crisp up and brown. After you get that done, some of that sliced lemon, we're just going to come back and just stick it around our chicken. Put it on some of these veggies, and we're going to let that lemon roast with our Greek chicken and veggies. It'll add a little brightness to it for the flavor. You don't have to use all of it. Just put whatever you desire, how strong you want it to be. I mean, you do you. That looks good to me. Now that we got this done, we're going to put this bad boy in the oven. Don't cover it. Do nothing with it. We're going to let this roast uncovered for 30 minutes. See you in a second. 30 minutes in the oven. Time to finish this thing off. This is about 12 to 14 Kalamata olives that I just sliced in half. We're going to just sprinkle this around our pan. And this is 4 ounces of just feta cheese. We're only going to use about half of this. Sprinkle that. Then we're going to put this bad boy back in the oven to finish off. Be about 10-15 minutes. We're looking for our chicken to come up to the temperature of 165 and our veggies just to be tender. Alright, we got our chicken out of the oven. Hit that temperature of 165. Got it plated up. Now I made just some long grain rice to put with mine. It's great with the salad. Any other side dish you want, you could do pasta, but I did long grain rice. This is what it looks like plated up. I mean, put that in front of your family. Smells awesome. The skin of the chicken's all crisped up. This is what I'm talking about. We're going to take a taste. I'll let you know how it turns out. Alright, I'm going in. Man, I don't know, y'all. Over rice might be the way to do this. This thing is awesome. Flavors are good. It's got some bright from that lemon. The peppers, the zucchini, tender. This is spot on right here. You need to be making it. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this for weeknight meals, also it's getting a little warmer. We're going to start doing some grilling, doing some desserts out on the grill. Hit that subscribe button. We do a video about every week. Also, hit that bell. That way you know, hey, they done put something else out. We got a new camera we're working on, so if footage is a little shaky here and there, bear with us. We're getting there. Thanks again. We'll see you down the road. God bless.